everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make a doll-sized dustbin for our dolls. So here we begin. So for this craft, we will require toilet paper rolls, glue, scissors, marker just for marking the outlines, and paint and a paintbrush. We start by taking the toilet paper roll and marking half of the toilet paper roll using a ruler and then cutting it out. Next, we will cut the toilet paper roll from over here using scissors, just like this. Make sure the line that you are cutting is straight. If you cannot cut a straight line, just mark it using a marker. We are cutting this so that we can customize the size like this. This is the size that I want for my trash bin. After customizing your size, you can glue it and then tape it from the back side. After painting and gluing my toilet paper roll, I am going to take cardstock. Then I am going to place my toilet paper roll on the cardstock. Take a marker, then I am going to trace it over the cardboard. After tracing it, we are going to cut it out. After cutting out the circle, I am going to take the toilet paper roll and then place the circle on top of it. Now I'll be gluing it using glue. After gluing it, you can either wish to paint it or not. But I am not painting it because it will not be visible since we are going to keep it like this. And now our dolls have their very own trash bin where they can throw all of their trash. So I hope you like my video and subscribe to my channel so that I make more videos. Bye and thanks for watching.